Hey everyone, today we're diving into LEGO set 75576 from the Avatar lineup. This set brings the stunning world of Pandora to life with incredible detail. The star of the show is definitely the Ilu Creature. It's beautifully designed with vibrant colors and organic shapes that really capture the underwater vibes from the movie. I love how dynamic it looks, and it's a lot of fun to display. The minifigures are also a great addition, with unique details that make them stand out. But as much as I enjoy the look of this set, we've got to talk about the price. For the number of pieces included, it's definitely on the expensive side. That might be a downside for some, especially if you're more focused on value per brick. That said, if you're a big Avatar fan or someone who loves creative builds, this set still offers a lot to enjoy. Personally, I think it's a visually stunning addition to any collection, but the price does make me pause a bit. What do you think? Is the Ilu enough to justify the cost, or is this one you'd skip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more LEGO content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.